Hello, I'm Dan West, the Livonia Chamber of Commerce, and this is our latest cyber edition of CityScape, a regular video series of chats involving people, places, and ideas that impact Livonia. As businesses prepare to reopen, some owners are having a tough time bringing staff back because of the additional federal pandemic assistance that's added to unemployment benefits. There's a program that enables employers to bring workers back on a part-time basis while the worker can continue to receive the weekly $600 additional federal benefit. To help us understand how this works, the details of the work sharing program, we brought back business attorney Brandon Grysko from the law firm of Fausone Bohn. Brandon, thank you for joining us again.
Hey, Dan, thanks for having me again. Thanks everybody for watching.
So, Brandon, what does an employer have to do to appropriately return employees to work without jeopardizing their federal benefit?
So yeah, there's a lot of situations where employees feel like they're making more money on unemployment than they would be if they returned to work. So in those situations, employers can take advantage of the work share program in order to have employees qualify not only for whatever their normal wages are, but also a percentage of the regular unemployment benefit, plus through July, the extra $600 in the pandemic assistance that was provided through the CARES Act.
Brandon, for workers who currently receive the maximum $962 weekly benefit that they get from the federal and state governments, can they earn more than that if they return to work under the work sharing program?
Yes, they can. And that's one of the advantages and how employers should use it to bring people back to work. And essentially how it works is in work share, you get a percentage of your state unemployment benefit, but you're still entitled to the federal pandemic assistance that was passed through the CARES Act. So in essence, you'd be earning more as the employee than if you just stayed on unemployment.
And again, you can work up to 40 hours, right? And still get that pandemic federal.
That's correct. So with the employers, when they have their work share plan, as they seek approval for the work share plan, they have to reduce employee hours by between 10% and up to 65%.
If an employee returns to work and they are still owed unemployment benefits from past weeks they did not work, does this effort become impacted if they return to work under the work sharing program?
So employees in this situation have to be very careful. And the reason is because there's no double dipping allowed, right? So you can't have a week that qualifies for work share and a week that qualifies for regular unemployment. So you have to be very careful how you handle that, especially because employers can potentially certify for the most recent week. So you could certify on a Saturday night for the week that started on the previous Monday. So employees just have to make sure that when they are certifying for the regular unemployment for weeks where they didn't do any work, they have to make sure that that week's not also covered by a work share week.
Well, Brandon, this is definitely helpful information for our employers and workers looking to go back to work. And I thank you for taking some time to share your expertise with us today.
Yes, thank you for having me. Really appreciate it.
We appreciate everyone for watching this episode of CityScape, and we'll see you all next time.